Yeah, welcome to the channel. You are highly welcome. We are looking at relationship between the root of equation. That will be the first segment. Relationship between roots of equation. Okay, that's the first part to look into. So the general quadratic equation is given by the general quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is given by ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, where your a, your b, and your c, they are integers. Okay, and then we have the solution of this equation as minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, or let's make this one plus, or minus b minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, then we are going to describe what we call the discriminants. The discriminant is use the symbol d for discriminants, which is b squared minus 4ac. That's our discriminants. So we want to see the natures of these roots of the natures of these roots. Okay, we want to look at when case 1, when discriminant is greater than 0. What do we have in that case? Okay, when discriminant is greater than 0, we want to also discuss when is equal to 0 and when is discriminant is what is less 0. Okay, so these are the things we want to discuss in these case. For this one, when discriminant is less 0, when b squared minus 4ac, when complex number. Okay, so that when your d is less than 0, it will give us a real number. So we have a real number for such. Okay, so let's see a question here. Let's see question. And when your d is equal to 0, you're going to have equal roots. That'll be equal roots. Let's see first question to buttress this. So in this case now, we're going to write this equation to completely follow the quadratic equation. Okay, and that will be equal to 7p plus 1 s squared plus 5p minus 1, and then plus p. Move this one to the left side as minus 1 equal to what? Equal to 0. So now correspond this to your general quadratic equation. Correspond this to your general quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c. So if you do that, your a is what? Your a is 7p plus 1. Your b is what? 5p minus 1. And your c is p minus 1. And don't forget, for equal roots, for your equal roots, your discriminants, the d, which is b squared minus 4ac, must be equal to what? Must be equal to 0 for equal roots. So let's now use these discriminants to find the p. So my a is what? B squared, that's a 5p minus 1 squared minus 4 times a. My a is 7p 7p plus 1. My c is p minus 1. Okay, equal to 0. Then do the expansion for this one. So if you expand this, we're going to have 25 p squared minus 5p times 1, and then times 2, that's minus 10p. Then finally plus 1 minus 4. Let's expand these two. This one times this one, that's 7p squared minus 7p. This one times this one, plus p minus 1 equal to 0. So we have 25p squared minus 10p plus 1 minus 4 into brackets 7p squared. This one minus 7p plus p, that's minus 6p minus 1 equal to 0. So that's what we have in that case. Then we have this minus 10p plus 1 minus 4 times 7, that's a minus 28p squared. Minus times minus, that's a plus. 4 times 6, that's 24p. Minus times minus, that's plus. 4 times 1, that's 4, equal to 0. Okay? And we can combine this one together. 25p minus 8p, that's a minus 3p squared. Okay? Minus 10p plus 24p, that's a plus 14p. And then 1 plus 4, that's 5, equal to what? Equal to 0. Okay? So we can multiply 2 by minus. So we have 3p squared minus 14p minus 5 equal to 0. So let's factorize this. This one times this one. That's minus 15p squared. 2 factors of 15. That can give us minus 14p. Okay, that's 3 and 5. 15 and 1. So that will be 15 minus 15p. Okay, and then plus p. So that will replace the middle number. So if you're just coming in for the first time, please smash the subscribe button. Do it now. Subscribe so that you can be able to type your question, so that anytime I come online, you'll be notified. Type your comments and begin to share the links of this video across your social media platform. Thank you for doing that. Finally, for the returning viewers, I want to say thank you for always coming online. Begin to type your questions and share the links of this video across the social media platform. Thank you for doing that. Then from where we stop now, we're going to have 3p squared minus 15p plus p minus 5 equal to 0. Okay. Then begin to pair this one together. Pair this one also together. 3 common here. That's 3p. We have p minus 5. Here, p and minus 5 plus 1 common. We have p minus 5. So when you factorize this one and this one must be the same thing. You pick one of that. Pick one of that. You have 3p plus 1 equal to 0. So this is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. So p is equal to what? 5 or minus 1 over 3. So that's the value for p for the equation to have equal roots. Okay. Let's see another question. Another thing we want to look into now is the relationship. Want to see the relationship between the roots of a quadratic equation. and the coefficients. Okay, so if you're just coming in, we are discussing the natures of roots. Okay, using the discriminants. I'll mention the three cases when d is less 0. Okay, when d is equal to 0. Okay, when d is equal to 0, that's equal roots. When d is greater than 0, when d is greater than 0, that will be what? That will be real roots. And when d is less 0, that will be what? That will be going to give you no real solution. It's going to give you a complex number. So the second case is the relationship between the roots of the quadratic equations and the coefficients. You don't want to waste the time to be proving the equation for us. You want to go straight to the sum of roots. And the roots we are using here is alpha and beta. So sum of roots is equal to what? Minus b over a. And then for the product of the roots is c over a. We're going to see applications of all these shortly. Okay? And the next thing we want to look at the important identity. We want to see important identity. So that's what we want to look into. Okay? I want to say welcome once again. Welcome. If you are new on the channel, please smash that subscribe button. Do it now. Okay? So this will give you a privilege to be part of the discussion of this section. You're able to forward your questions and able to type your question. Share the links of this video across your social media platform. So let's quickly go to some identity. So we look at the identity and then we begin to take a series of questions on these aspects. Some important identity. The first one I'm going to discuss is let's look at alpha square plus beta square. Alpha square plus beta square. So this one will give you alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. If you expand the right hand side, it's going to give you the left hand side. The second one is alpha square minus beta square. This is just a difference of 2 square, and that will be alpha minus beta times what? Alpha plus beta. The third one is alpha minus beta. That's the third one, which will be equal to square root of what? Alpha minus beta or square. Okay? And if you expand what we have inside the square root, it's going to be alpha square minus 2 alpha beta, and then plus what? Plus beta square. Okay? And then this alpha square plus beta square, if you do that, it's going to give you alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta, and then with this minus 2 alpha beta, and that's minus 4 alpha beta. And don't forget your square roots in that place. That's the third identity. That's the third identity. The fourth one is for the cube. Alpha cube plus beta cube is going to be alpha plus beta times alpha square minus alpha beta plus what? Plus beta square. Okay, that's the sum of the cubes of roots. So that's that on these aspects. I want to say if you are new, you are in the right place. Okay, and I want you to be part of this discussion. And how can you be part of the discussion? You need to click on the subscribe button. Okay, so you can type your comments. Okay, you can type your fresh comments. You can type your own question, your own question. Okay, do it right now. Don't stop there. Give the video a thumbs up and share the links of this video across your social media platform. For returning viewers, I want to say thank you for always coming on board. do give the video a thumbs up and share the links of this video across your social media platform. Thank you for doing that. Okay, let's see the key for difference of roots. This one will be equal to alpha minus beta times alpha square plus alpha beta plus beta square. Okay, if you expand the right hand side, you're going to get the left hand side. Okay, then another one is alpha to power 4 plus beta to power 4. It's going to be what? This is going to be alpha square, okay, plus beta square, and then you square that. This is just the literal meaning, okay. And this one also means alpha square plus beta square, square that, then minus 2 alpha square beta square. So that's that on these aspects. So the next thing to do now, without further ado, let's look at questions. Okay, and we can't finish this topic today because I have a lot of tutorial questions. But we are going to do justice to some of the questions today, and hopefully tomorrow will come alive again by the grace of God. Okay. Let's take this question. Let's take this question. Let's take some of this question. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I want to say you are in the right place. Okay, you are what? You are in the right place. Please do smash the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel so that you can be part of this discussion. Don't stop there. Click on like button and begin to share the links of this video across your social media platform. Thank you for doing that. Let's see the first question we have here. If alpha and beta are roots of the equation, alpha and beta are roots of the equation, and we have the equation as what? 3x squared minus 7x minus 1 equal to 0. Find 1 alpha minus beta square, 2 alpha square plus beta square, and then the third one, alpha to power 4 plus beta to power 4. So let's look at this question. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, I want to say if you are just coming in, you are in the right place. What can you do now? The best thing for you to do now is to smash that subscribe button. Don't stop there. Smash it now. Give the video a thumbs up and begin to share the links of this video across your social media platform. Do it right now. And I want to thank the returning viewers for always coming on board. Do give the video a thumbs up and share the links of this video across your social media platform. Thank you for doing that. Okay, so let's see solution to these equation. The first thing we're going to do is to correspond this quadratic equation to the general format, to your ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So if you correspond that, it implies that your a is 3, your b is minus 7, your c is minus 1. We correspond the given equation to the standard quadratic equation. You have this. Okay, then we can get the sum of the roots, which is minus b over a, and that will be equal to what? Minus 7 for b. A is what? A is 3, which is 7 over 3. We can get the product of the roots, which is a c over a, and that's equal to what? My c is what? My c is minus 1. My a is 3. Okay, so let's go to the first equation, alpha minus beta square If we do the expansions of this from the identity, this will be alpha minus beta square. Okay, no, that will be alpha square minus 2 alpha beta, okay, plus what? Plus beta square. So that's the first thing to do. Then you can let me copy that, alpha square minus 2 alpha beta, okay, plus the beta square. That is alpha minus beta square if you expand it, okay. And don't forget alpha, this is named as alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta, and alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta, and then minus this one minus 2 alpha beta, and that's equal to alpha plus beta square minus 4 alpha beta. So that's what we have in that case. I want to say you are welcome to this channel. You are in the right place. Okay, to be part of this discussion, please smash the subscribe button. Subscribe now. Don't stop there. Give the video a thumbs up and begin to share the links of this video across your social media platform. Okay, for the returning viewers, give the video a thumbs up and begin to share massively the link of this video across your social media platform. Thank you for doing that. Okay, so the next thing to do now is for us to do our substitution. Okay, alpha plus beta is what? It's 7/3 square minus 4 times alpha beta. That's a minus 1/3. So if you do this one, this will be 49. 7 square is 49. 3 square is 9. Minus times minus, that's a plus. That's 4 over what? Over 3. Okay, I want to make the denominator to be the same. That will be times 3. Times 3. So I have 49 over 9 plus 12 over 9. Okay. So that's what we have there. So if you do the addition, 49 plus 12, that's a 1. That's 61. That's 61 over 9. So that one is done in that case. And that will take us to the second one. That's alpha square plus beta square. Alpha square plus beta square. Alpha square plus beta square has this identity, which is alpha plus beta square minus what? Minus 2 alpha beta. Okay. And then alpha plus beta, we have the value, that's 7/3 square minus 2 times what? Alpha beta, the product of the roots is minus 1/3. So we have for this one, we have 49 over what? 7 square is 49, 3 square is 9. And then minus times minus, that's a plus 2/3. Okay, so this one times 3, this one times 3. So we have 6 here over 9. So 6 plus 9, that's 49 plus 6. So we have 55 over 9 for that question. Okay, welcome on board. You are in the right place. For you to be part of the discussion, for you to be able to type your question, please smash that subscribe button. Okay, do it now. Give the video a thumbs up and begin to share the links of this video across your social media platform. Thank you for always coming on board. For returning viewers, do give the video a thumbs up and share the links across the board. Thank you for doing that. So let's see the last part of this question. Let's see the last segment of this question, which is the third one, which is alpha to power 4 plus beta to power 4. Okay, from the identity, we said that it is alpha square, we square that, plus beta square, we square that, which is the same thing as well, alpha square plus beta square or square, then minus 2 alpha square beta square. Okay, already we have a value for this one, alpha square plus beta square, which is what we just got now, 59 over 9, square that, and then minus 2 times. This one is alpha beta square. Alpha beta square, that's a minus 1 over 3 square. Okay, 55 square will give us check a calculator. That will be 30, 25, 3025. 9 square is 81 minus 2 times 1 over 9. Okay, if you do the algebra, you have 81 as a common factor, and that will be 3025 minus this one will be what? This one will be 18, and that will give you 3007 over 81. So that's that on these aspects. Okay. Hopefully tomorrow I'm going to solve tomorrow's section. It's going to be long. It's going to be a long section by the grace of God. Okay. But today I'm going to make it short. It will be too much long. Okay. So let's take one more questions on these aspects. Just coming in, please smash that subscribe button. Do it right now. Okay, give us a thumbs up and share the links of this video across your social media platform. Okay, for the returning viewer, I want to say thank you for always coming on board. Okay, give us a thumbs up, give the video a thumbs up, and share the links across your social media platform. Thank you for doing that. Let's take one more questions here. One more questions on these segments.